Hi guys, it's me TaKira. In this video I will be showing you guys my Voxbox, what I got from Influencer in my Voxbox. I have a video like this on my channel already, and I'll link that up above or below, so just check my description or it'll be up above. And this is the box. So also I'd like to mention my social media and everything is linked down below. I'll have a link for the website if you want to check the website out down below as well. And make sure you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to let me know if you guys like these videos. I'll have my link for it down below if you guys want to sign up. You sign up, you review a bunch of products, just review different products you've had. You answer questions that other people have about other products, basically, and stuff like that. And then every so often they have a Voxbox, they call them, that you can try out the box, but they will send you a pre-survey. You can answer the pre-survey basically, and then they'll pick people based off the pre-survey questions who will enter, and then they let you know. So I'll have a link to the website down below if you guys would like to sign up. You can use that link down below, or you guys can just go to the website if you'd like. And I believe that's everything I have to say. So getting on into the box, like I said, this is the box, and they have different boxes. I usually get like beauty stuff in my boxes, or hair stuff, because those are the type of things I set my profile for. Because you have a profile you have to fill out and stuff, and keep your profile updated and stuff. So I just mostly fill mine out for stuff like that. Also, this is like I've had a couple of these. I haven't recorded all of them, but I've had a couple of them. If you guys want to see more of these type of videos, let me know in the comments so I know when I do get one to record it as I'm opening it. And I'll link the video for my other one up here so that you guys can see that as well. So there we go. Got this video open. I've got a lot of hair things. I believe when I saw it, I believe this was something for your hair, if I'm not mistaken. So this is what it looks like. This is pretty. Oh, this is Deva Curl. I've never had a Deva Curl product before, so yes. It says Deva Curl Super Stretch Coconut Curl Elixir. Yes, this box is really pretty color. It's like a really pretty green. The lighting is not doing it justice, but it's like a really pretty green. So, oh, and sometimes the box only has like one brand of products. Like I've gotten some where it's like just a whole bunch of hair products from one brand, and I've gotten stuff where it's like different makeup stuff, different beauty stuff, different pens. Like they usually have different what do you say, like different themes kind of. So but this one doesn't have a theme, it's just Deva Curl. And this product is the new Super Strength your Coconut Curl Elixir Styler. So that looks like, it's just that. So it just tells you I guess about the product, I believe, how to use it. It says what is Super Strength, is it for me, what does it do, how do I use it. So that's cute. And it just shows like different girls with different like hair up here. Then has this one on, this lady on the front. And then I'm trying to see if it has a price on here. I don't see a price. But yes, that's the only thing in there is this. And I love that it's a full-size product. And usually with Voxbox, they are full-size products. So I've gotten a bunch of hair, like not a bunch, but a couple of hair things from Voxbox, and they're always full-size products. So this just says Super Strength Coconut Curl Elixir Define and Control. And then let's see, it's sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. 100% of those free. So I'm excited to try this. Ooh, I've never tried Deva Curl. It smells so good though. It kind of smells like the Shea Moisture Coconut Curl Enhancer to me, kind of. Maybe not. But this is really cute. I've never used this, so of course I always look up hair stuff before I try it on my hair. I always look it up on YouTube first. But that's what that looks like. And the consistency, did I show you that? It's kind of, it's thick. It's not kind of thick. It's completely thick, not kind of. You can see that kind of on the cap. There we go. So this coconut infused cream stretches any style. It elongates curls without compressing definition, while coconut oil delivers shine and moisture. The soft velvety texture gives the moisture of a cream with the hold of a gel without the crunch. Ooh, that's what we need. So I'm nervous to see how this is gonna work on my texture hair, because I have 4C texture hair. I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair is in twist right now with a little bun. But I do have 4C texture hair, so I'm excited to see if I can just use this as like a leave-in type conditioner, because it really doesn't say how to use it. It says you choose for, I'm just reading off here because it's a little bigger than actual on the bottle. It's like very, very small. So it says you choose for elongated wash and go. Stretch curls by pressing super strength into clean wet hair in a downward motion. Don't scrunch for a stretch style. I was confused. Yes, we're talking twist style, braids, bantu knots, etc. Apply on any wet, damp curls, any section, style, hair, and universal, and unreveal once dry. I'm tripping. So basically that's what it says there. Took me a minute, but I got there. That's the point. That's the point. Coconut oil, castor oil, shea butter, and aloe. So yeah, so that is Deva Curl Super Strength Coconut Curl Elongate Styler. So I'm definitely excited to try this. If you guys want to see me do my hair with my twist or a twist out with this product, please leave that in the comments below, because I would absolutely love to do that, because I live in twist, as you can tell. So if you guys want to see me do a twist out or bomb twist out with this stuff, please leave that in the comments down below. But no, like I said, if you guys want to see that, leave it down below. Let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. This one's a short one for you guys, because why not? Something just to throw at you. But no, it's a good, useful one. So if you guys want to do Voxbox, sign up for the website. It's free, $9.99. No, it's completely free, no charges. You know, all you gotta do is just do a little review, do a little unboxing. They have a couple questions you gotta answer on the website. You do those questions and about the product. After you get the product, you do those questions about the product after you tried it out or whatnot. You could do a video. You don't have to do a video. You could post it on your social media. You could do that, and basically disclose that, you know, you received this for free for reviewing purposes only. It's not, you know, they didn't charge you basically. So if you guys want to know more about Voxbox, like I said, the website is Influenster.com. You guys can barely see it on my box because they got this vibrant box this time. But it is Influencer.com, and their boxes are called Voxboxes. So if you guys want to see that, please click my link down below.